Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another unboxing, but two this time. So I want coral topped popcorn bubba. So let's unbox it. First one, I might have got Miles or Coral. Okay, what one's this? Got chili. Okay. I need to look at it. So it seems I definitely got chili. Yeah, I got chili. It's actually pretty cute. I didn't think I'd like chili, but it's cute. Next bag. Once again, I want topped coral bubba or popcorn. These aren't cheap. I got a rare one. I got Spring. OMG. Okay, it's like a different texture. Not my favourite. And that is all for today. I'm still on the hunt trying to find the ones I want. But bye guys, I'm kind of happy.